From across the desert Southwest, this is 13 on Your Side.
And right now we're seeing beautiful conditions outside. Temps in the 50s and 60s mixed throughout the area. 64 in Salton City. 50s already spread throughout not only Imperial Valley, but really Yuma Valley as well and further to the north. Now, wind gusts were a problem earlier today. In fact, last night, you get out of here late last night, you were woken up by maybe a few gusts in Yuma. That calmed down for a little bit, but then we saw them pick right back up just before the lunch hour. 32 miles per hour in Blythe, nearing 40 at times, even 29 in Yuma, and then it picked back up in Imperial Valley as well. And you see it really throughout the entire area in Yuma and Imperial Valley as well. And that continued before we finally got it to calm down a little bit. And of course now it's nice and calm. It's been much better. Now we're still seeing our winds out of the northwest at 9 miles per hour, but we'll check our tower cam to show you what's going on. Really nice conditions throughout the area, and it's going to remain that way. You'll notice it's not moving around too much, and that's going to continue over the next several days. Lighter breezes for now, and overnight a 5-mile-an-hour wind will greet us in the morning as well. 58 degrees, a cooler day to start. However, we will warm up in time. We've got plenty of clear skies. You'll notice yesterday rain moved through, and it was to the north. We didn't get too much in Imperial Valley and Yuma, or really of anything, and clouds have left us throughout the day now that the cold front has moved through. So winds our next chance for anything. Not tomorrow. We'll get that one right out of the way. Imperial Valley, 48 to 69. We're at 76 by 4 p.m., so we do warm up a little bit. And look at this. This may be a welcome sight for allergy sufferers. North winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and also calm in Yuma, about 5. So really hanging around with us throughout the day. 5 to 10 mile per hour winds throughout the area. Now, as I mentioned, it's calm now, but where's our next change in the weather? This is it right here, and it's near Alaska, entering the Bay of Alaska and continuing toward Juneau. So how does this thing get down here? Well, high pressure is blocking this thing's normal flow if it were to just continue to slide down the coast. So it has to take the long way, and we'll show you where it goes. Look how this thing starts to move right over the top of this high pressure and barrel its way down into the western region of the United States. And as a result, we look towards Saturday morning, still in the Portland area. Guess what? Saturday, that's the air show. So we're good for that. And then it continues to move down late Saturday. So as far as timing is concerned, well, looks like this thing's going to come down a little bit later. So rain chances, we look Friday, Saturday, and then more green is painted on. Look at this. Rain in light doses. 0.05 of an inch, 1/10 of an inch. You'll notice some of the heavier stuff toward 1/2 inch as well off to the east. So will it affect the air show? The answer is no. It's going to be very nice for the air show. We'll see Friday night, but it's just going to be a little bit breezy, kind of like it was last year. Not as bad. It was about 50-mile-an-hour winds last year, not the case. Gusting to 30, and I think that's going to be some of the worst of it. 15 to 20, and then even 25 and 35 miles per hour in the afternoon for Saturday as we see 70 degrees. But we do see that chance of rain come on Sunday after the air show. 71 degrees Sunday into Monday. Tuesday is 72, and Imperial Valley you'll see 80 down to 79, and then that chance of rain comes late Sunday as well before we clear out by next week. Stay with us. We'll be right back.